Hello guys and welcome back to another weekend. By the time this video comes out, my Kazakhstan vlog will already be up and you guys must have watched that vlog. If you guys have not yet, please do go and watch that Kazakhstan vlog because yeah, just go and watch it. The link is up here. Yeah. So right now I have to do some packing because it's a Saturday and because today I am going to wait. You'll come to know when I'm there, right? Let me just pack it all up and I'll see you on the road then. Okay. Here we go.
So guys, good evening. I'm on the road finally and it's 6:28 in the evening and oh my god, you guys can't imagine how hot it is. This road right now is a frying pan. Whatever little space that the air is getting to get into my helmet, I can feel every bit of that air because it's so hot. I'm supposed to meet someone here. I finally made one biker friend over here. He said he'll be there at the highway and he should be somewhere here. Okay, he is finally here. सब तो मतलब जैकेट पहन के आ गए, मैं तो मेरी तो हिम्मत नहीं हुई। मैंने तो मैं इतनी गर्मी में मैंने कहा आज नहीं पहन रहा मैं। Alright, so this is Satish sir. He is senior at my workplace, so yeah, that's what I call him. So that's Duke 390. Yeah, the previous model, not the current one. Alright, so guys, we are both all fueled up, and so today's ride is not going to be to the place where I initially planned. So we are going to go to Khuri dunes. So there are two dune complexes, you can say, here in Jaisalmer or around Jaisalmer. One of them is some dunes, which is like the more famous one, which is more internationally known, is the some dunes. The one where we are going are the Khuri dunes, which are a little less known. I have to be very careful because this road does not look like a well-built highway. There's still quite some time left for the sunset. It's 6:52 and from what I know, sun starts to get red by about 7:15 in the evening. So we've still got like 20-25 minutes. Well guys, as you can see, this is where this magnet leaves scratches on my motorcycle, and I hate that. I absolutely hate that. As you can see, we are racing against the sunset here, and it is the race to reach Khuri sand dunes. All the resorts and all kinds of tourist activities, both on sand dunes and on Khuri dunes, will be closed these days in summers. In that case, then there will not be much other than just some sightseeing that we can do. This is something I like very much here in Jaisalmer. There are a lot of windmills, and especially during sunsets, you can see the windmills with the sunset at the backdrop, and it looks quite amazing, as you can see. And look at that small town over there. Yeah, wow, what a road, man. That was for the kids who are kind of excited to see bikes. Well, it seems that whichever way you go here in Rajasthan or in Jaisalmer especially, you will get a wonderful ride. You just don't have to bother about destination. Just pick one road and ride on it, and you will definitely end up satisfied. Wow. Oh, it's almost like an airstrip. Another one of those small villages. In Rajasthani they call them dhanis, with houses made out of mud. Because stone is available in abundance out here, but people prefer to make houses out of mud because stone retains heat for a very long time. So on the other hand, mud, if you make houses out of mud, then it does not heat up that much, and even if it heats up, it cools down faster. That this place is, oh shit, oh man, I again scrubbed my belly, and I'll have to be very careful here. Yeah, easy does it. Wow, guys, just look at that. Woo. The sun needs to come down just a little bit, and this will be magical. The view will be absolutely magical then. Don't you think so? Well, this is turning out to be the best ride so far in Jaisalmer. Well, I haven't ridden much yet, but then yeah, a good ride to start with. Who would have thought, adding these windmills would add so much to the landscape. These windmills are actually for producing electricity, but what they are doing to the entire landscape is something truly remarkable. Look at that. Look at this road, dude. Wow. If there are no potholes on this road till the end, it's a heaven. Khuri is about 10 kilometers and sunset is almost here. You would see this road and you would feel like you can go all the way accelerating, but then you should not, because you don't know when some goat comes out of these bushes and jumps in front of you, or a cow or a camel for that matter. Yeah, so keep it easy, enjoy the view, and I think 128, 130 is good enough. That is the fastest that you should go. Okay, so this is the way it will take us to the dunes, and there's still some sun left. Wow, now there is some off-road. This is where I'm not at all comfortable on this motorcycle. Oh shit, I have to slow down. The front tire is going wobbly here. No. No, I do not want to drop my motorcycle. No, I don't want this to be the first place for me to drop my motorcycle. Oh wow. Well, we do have dunes over there and there are people over there. यहाँ लगा देता हूँ मैं बियर. अरे हम बस निकल रहे हैं यार, सॉरी. Alright, so guys, we are here in Khuri dunes, and as you can see, कितने की देते हो सवारी? 100 रुपए. Okay, so we were able to reach here. There's still some time left for the sundown properly.
We'll walk up, Deepak.
Huh?
We'll walk up.
Yes, sure. So we are going to move up the top of this dune, and probably from there we'll get a good view. There are already people up there. इन लोगों की कोई गाड़ी वाड़ी तो दिख नहीं रही। मैं तो अपनी लाइफ में पहली बार ड्यून्स देख रहा हूँ। हाँ Alright, so our camel ride is almost coming to an end. भाई तेरे क्या नाम बताया? स्वाइन? क्या बताया तूने नाम? सवाई। सवाई। कैमल का नाम? सवैया। अच्छा, तेरा सवाई और कैमल का सवैया। अभी कैमल विल लैंड डाउन। चलो बैठ बैठ सवैया, बेटा बैठो। नहीं मान रहा। ओ ओ ओ स्लो मोशन में है। गुड। Alright, so friends, we are on our way back to Jaisalmer, and first we will take some little halt at Khuri village because we both are very thirsty. Alright guys, I'm back in my room and yeah, I'm very tired. It was one hell of a ride. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to join Satish sir and Kiran sir. Now Kiran sir is having a Harley Street Bob. Now by the time I reached their place, my GoPro battery died, and unfortunately I forgot my extra battery here only, so I could not vlog that particular part. But Satish sir is having a KTM 390 and Kiran sir is having a Harley Street Bob. Unfortunately today I could not join them, reason for which it's Champions League final today and Liverpool is playing Real Madrid in Kiev, Ukraine. So let's get ready for the final, shall we? So right, I'm all set for the final. But by the time you guys watch this, the result will be already out, and it will have been already 1 week. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you next week. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, signing off. Ride safe.